heading out this morning for day 2 of the spring flood run. Looking forward to a good day of riding. A little bit chilly this morning, so we're kind of chapsed up this morning. I got a similar look going on.
Long underwear and
no longies for me, but I do have the heated jacket on, at least till the first stop, probably when it warms up a bit. It's going to get up mid-60s or something, so it'll be fine as we go. Just a little brisk to start, but expecting a pretty good-sized group today. Most of the people, or a good share of them, are going to be leaving from Chippewa Falls Harley-Davidson. And we have a little rendezvous point on the south side of Eau Claire at 4 Mile. Get the group together and head off down on our, we'll call it modified Twisted Sisters route, as we work our way to Maiden Rock and the 6th string for lunch. From there this afternoon, it remains to be seen where we'll head, but I'm sure there will be a group of us that will hang together and do some more riding this afternoon, so come on along for the ride. So you missed out on yesterday's ride. We had a good time, Bill and I. Did some of the river road, a couple stops in places we haven't been in a long time, so that was fun. Looking forward to today's ride, I assume?
yes, should be fun. Meet it up with, as it's like the first chapter ride, and extended, but maybe see some people we haven't from over the winter.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Should be a good day.
Yeah.
Let's go top them off with gas and get over to the rendezvous point.
Sure.
Hey, morning, Chief. What do you have to say? You're live on YouTube in a week or two.
I don't know.
It's gonna be a good ride. Looks like you got a big crew in tow here.
I think we're gonna ditch all the rain too, so it should be great.
Looks good. Looking forward to it.
It looks sunny this way.
Yeah, a bunch of bikes today. We're gonna have a good time.
Did your wife buy a truck?
She did. Yeah.
Yeah, holy cow, I don't know what the count is, but we got a bunch of bikes and we got a bunch more over here. Gonna be a ride, man. Alright, this qualifies as a flood run. We are heading out of 4 Mile into the back roads, and we have 26 bikes or thereabouts in tow. So good sized group here. We got a great leader with a great route laid out, so should be a good time. Come on along for the ride. Working our way up Double Z down towards Mondovi. I've been filming a lot here, a bunch of the same roads so far that'll be in last couple of videos. Trying to get a little footage because it's unique to be out with a group this big. Usually we're running smaller groups of bikes, but the flood run draws a lot of people. When you advertise it liberally on social media, then you get a lot of riders. All good. Sand here. Not you, but so this is County Double T. Great piece of road. Don't get on it that often. I don't think I've featured this in a video yet, mostly because it just sort of runs sort of perpendicular to where we're usually headed, but just south of Mondovi off Highway 37. It kind of winds its way up and over the hills and back to the west of Mondovi. It intersects County A, but it's a great little chunk of road and it's in nice shape. So that have had a reduction in the amount of sand on them over the past 2-3 weeks. This is not one of them. Pretty sandy up in here yet. valley on County Double V. This has always been one of my favorites, the way it twists up this valley. This little section right here, this way this farm sets in here, kind of neat. Continuing on west on J here. This is a pretty valley. I don't think I take this road very often for some reason. It's not looking that familiar, but it's the beauty of letting somebody else lead for a day. Over the hill on Double J now. Work our way over to F and take that up into Durand. On F now, headed towards Durand. Inching a little closer to Durand here on F. Not far to go now. And we'll get a little stretch break. Twisted Sisters. We were here a couple weeks ago and featured it on a video. Check that out if you haven't. In Maiden Rock there. Quite a few bikes there, but nothing like back in the day. It used to be so slammed with bikes. We're going to work our way up to Bay City and go check out a place that none of us have ever been. I think it's kind of a new place called Big Dog Daddy's Roadhouse. It's kind of behind the Bay City Airport, so I'm going to go check that out and then eventually start working our way back to Eau Claire. Down to, I don't know, 6 or 7 bikes with us now, and it's kind of chilling for the rest of the day. We're gonna record a little closeout here for the day. I'm not sure my microphones are still working. They're about dead, I think. Great day riding the flood run. Big group this morning. We kind of whittled it down, did a couple stops this afternoon. Less and less video as we went on because we're just having a good time and hanging out with friends and a little less focused on making videos. And hope you're enjoying the videos. Hit that like and subscribe and look for more. Thanks for watching.